Dear customers, thank you very much for joining us in this new online video training. Today we are going to perform a protocol ideal for sensitive skins. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Leticia Pardo and I'm the Technical Consultant and Training Manager in Skin Clinic. And today with me is my colleague Silvia.
Hello everybody.
So first of all, as always, we are going to apply a little bit of our hydroalcoholic gel in hands and just let you know all the working area and the tools that we are going to see in this video have already been sanitized as the COVID protocol says. So first of all, as in all the protocols, we are going to start with the cleansing routine. For that purpose, we have chosen our sensitive skin. As you already know, it's one of our cleansing products that we have got in the portfolio, ideal for sensitive skin. Contains chamomile, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, and different active ingredients that are not only going to clean the skin, it's going to give us comfort and very sensitive, it's ideal for sensitive skins. So now, as always, before we apply our dermal renovation solution, we have to apply our skin cover. As you already know, this is a silicone barrier that is going to protect all the sensitive areas that we might have on the surface of the skin, such as the eyebrows, lips, nostrils, or any dermatitis that we might have on. Our next step is going to be to apply one of our dermal renovation solution, and for that purpose we have chosen the lactic cleansing solution. We will add in one bowl 2 milliliters of the lactic cleansing solution and we will activate with 1 milliliter of water. We will apply all over the face and we will leave it between 5 to 7 minutes depending on the skin type and how sensitive it is. Why we have chosen this product? Among all of our dermal renovation solution, the lactic cleansing solution contains lactic acid, and this is a molecule able to provocate a microexfoliation on the surface of the skin, but at the same time it's going to go deeper into the layers of the skin and it's going to enhance the hydration of the skin. That's why it is ideal for sensitive skin, even for customers or clients that might go to your spa or your cabin with rosacea or couperose. So after 5 or 7 minutes, depending on what you consider, we have to remove the solution from the surface of the skin. For that purpose, we will do it with a wet wipe. Next step will be tonify the skin. For that purpose, we are going to choose one of our toners, in that case will be Refresh Toner. We will apply with a cotton pad, giving a little bit of touches all over the area where we have applied the dermal renovation solution. Why we have chosen this product? Because it contains all active ingredients ideal for a sensitive skin, such as chamomile or oud. Our next step to hydrate the skin and to recover all the soreness that we might have, especially on the cheeks of the facial area, what we are going to do is a mixture of our ampoules of rutinculum marine plus hyaluronic acid 3.5%. Why we have chosen these two products? Because as you already know, rutinculum marine are for tired legs feeling, but as usually with rosacea and couperose, we have quite a lot of soreness and redness around the cheeks. So with this, introducing one of these ampoules, the full ampoule, into one of the vials of hyaluronic acid, we are going to do a very good mixture because we are going to treat all the capillaries, all that blood circulation that we might have in the area, and we are going to reduce, and at the same time we are going to enhance the hydration because sensitive skins are usually quite dehydrated, so we have to balance both actions. Always remember that when you do the mixture, you have to shake the vial to make sure the mixture is properly done. Okay, so then you have to remove it, some of the amount, maybe 2 milliliters or 3 milliliters, with a syringe, and you apply all over the face with a gentle massage. Remember that you have to do the massage until total absorption of the mixture. And always remember in this step to provide to your client a draining massage and a circulatory massage to improve all the results that you will have with this, with the vial and the ampoule. Now it's time to apply one of our biocellulose facial masks. For that purpose, we have chosen our Calm Effect, biocell Calm Effect. That is ideal for sensitive skin. Now you are going to watch how Silvia is going to apply on our client, and remember you can leave it between 15 to 30 minutes. In that case, in our protocol, we are going to leave it for 20 minutes. Remember, it doesn't really matter what surface you apply first because both are the same. Okay? What you have to do is remove the fabric textile. Then you apply on the surface and then you remove the other plastic fabric. Remember that we have 4 biocellulose facial masks, and if you would like further information about this product, please check our webinar that is in our YouTube channel in an open format. And as a sensitive skin, remember that you always can use any of our biocellulose facial masks. In that case, we have chosen the calming effect, but if you would like to give another cosmetic action to your sensitive skin, such as a global anti-aging effect, or you would like to brighten up the skin, one option or the other is absolutely fine. As you can watch now, Silvia is going to remove the other plastic fabric that we usually have on the other side, okay? Remember, you can put it on one side or the other, it's absolutely fine, okay? And as soon as it's fixed on the surface, with the fingers, you are applying and making sure all the areas and the irregularities of the skin are covered by the biocellulose facial mask. Sometimes as well, at the end of the sachets, we might have a little bit of serum. Remember that you always can apply on top of the biocellulose facial mask or even on the neck and the collet. That's absolutely fine. Sometimes the professionals, they take this opportunity to apply de-stress facial mask on the neck and on the décolleté, in case you would like to give more value to your customer. As now the biocellulose is perfectly fixed on the skin, so now I'm going to explain all the products that we can recommend for home use and to carry on with the cosmetic benefits that we might have in your cabin. First, as a cleansing routine, we always recommend sensitive cleanser and refresh toner to remove all the makeup in the morning and at night, because contains all active ingredients are specifically for sensitive skins, such as oat, chamomile, sweet almond oil, amamelis, etc. Also, in the morning and at night, we always can recommend a serum. For that purpose, for sensitive skin, we always recommend Ferulaz, because it's a photo-aging serum that is going to treat all the side effects of the aging, and also is going to, as it contains a lot of antioxidants, is going to block all the negative effects of the free radicals. As a cream to be applied after the serum, we have 2 options. We can either recommend Rosacea cream or the Hydro Nourishment facial cream. Both options are fantastic for sensitive skins, rosacea or couperose. Why? Because Rosacea, for instance, contains 16 active ingredients. All for rosacea and couperose is going to hydrate, nourish the skin, and at the same time is going to control all the microbiota, all the excess of microbiota that we usually have in rosacea, because contains active ingredients such as microsilver. Remember that contains tea tree oil, so that is the reason why the aroma is so particular, and at the same time the color. The color is usually green due to the high amount of active ingredients that contain. Another good option is to apply Hydro Nourishing facial cream in the morning and at night. And remember that you have the option to get this cosmetic, this cream, with some protection factor or even with a little bit of color in a makeup version with 2 colors, clair and doré. And Always, especially for that countries that they have got a lot of sun, or is as in the seasons, in the spring season or in summertime, we always can recommend an extra sun protection factor to be applied on top of these creams, and in that case we always recommend Silk 100 SPF 50+. However, inside of our portfolio we have another 2 products that we always can recommend like an extra. First is our carbon cream. As you already know, this is a carbon cream, activated carbon cream that we can apply in all skin types, even in sensitive skins. You have to leave it for 15-20 minutes at home and always apply in a thick layer. If you would like further information about how to apply this product and how to remove it, please check our video where we explain perfectly more information about this product. Okay, it's in our YouTube channel. And always, after a carbon cream is a really good option, apply on the skin, in sensitive skin, any of our biocellulose facial masks. Our range of biocell masks, it is ideal for any skin types, even for sensitive skin. And at the same time as well, if you would like further information about this product, please check our webinar that is in our YouTube channel. So as you can see, there is a lot of cosmetic products that we can recommend to our clients. So please go ahead and do it because you will get great results. So after 15-20 minutes, we remove the biocell mask, as you can watch Sylvia is doing now. And the skin is perfectly glow and hydrated because we have added a lot of active ingredients to hydrate and moisturize the skin. So, as it's all perfectly the serum absorbed, we are going to go to the next step, and for that we are going to apply a little bit of our restoring cream. As you already know, our restoring cream is one of our creams that we have in a dermal renovation or dermal renewal range, because it contains all active ingredients that is going to keep working with the hydration and the nourishment and to remove all that redness and soreness. We apply with a gentle massage until total absorption. And as a final step, we always apply sun protection factor, and for that purpose we are going to apply Silk 100 SPF 50+. Remember that contains a maximum sun protection factor, and at the same time is enriched the formula with collagen and hyaluronic acid. We apply all over the areas where we have been working. So this is our protocol for sensitive skins. I hope you enjoy it, and the most important thing for us is that you deliver it in your spa or in your cabin.
Thank you very much.
And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.